Hey everybody, how are you? Today we are making an eggnog shake for our Christmas faux desserts for in the dining room on my table in my hutch. And this buttercream faux is the perfect color for the eggnog. How many people, and would you please tell me in the comments below, and I mean it, I want to know, how many people buy that quart of eggnog when the season's starting? You're thinking, yes, I'm going to have some eggnog. I'm going to make an eggnog shake. I'm going to have eggnog with nutmeg on it. And when Christmas is over, that eggnog has never been opened and you have to throw it away. Well, I'll tell you right now, that's exactly what I do almost every year, and I get so mad at myself because I always think, oh, I want to keep it for special. Oh, I want to keep it for special. Well, special never comes and I end up throwing it away. So, oh, I get so mad. All right, so what we're going to do, this is just a glass that I've had forever, and it's just stayed in my cupboard, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to start using some of these glasses that I've kept and start using them for my decor. So, here we go. Let's put some acrylic paint in here. And this is the perfect color, I don't know if you can tell or not, of eggnog. Okay, so let's get down in here. Make sure to get the bottom. Okay, and I'm just going to move it all through. This year I'm going to drink that eggnog, you guys. I love making eggnog shakes with vanilla ice cream. I get the vanilla bean, you know, the real rich flavor of the vanilla bean, and then I put when I do drink the eggnog, which has been very rare, I end up throwing, and I'm not kidding about that. But when I have, and it is so good, then I sprinkle some nutmeg. It is so good. But all I have today is pumpkin spice, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to need a little bit more. This will look pretty on the hutch. I love decorating with faux desserts and candies for holidays. I don't know why, but it's just so warm and inviting to me. And if you haven't checked out the Pink Tree, she is my mentor, a dear friend of mine. She does phenomenal faux food. She's my sensei, if you will, for faux food. She's a sweetheart. Her name's Dawn. So if you go over to the Pink Tree, and that's her channel name, tell her I sent you over and give her a big hug for me. Say, Daveda said to give you this hug, so I'm going to give you this hug. Okay, so there's your eggnog. We're going to let that dry, and then I'm going to put the cardboard on it and put the whipped cream. All right, let's blow dry this. Okay, let's glue a top on this. I just cut it out of a cereal box. Cereal boxes are really the way to go for the heaviness for things like this. Okay, just gonna let that, look at my hands, you guys. I've got paint. I've been doing DIYs left and right. Okay, so we got that on there. Let's put our whipped cream on. Okay, let's finish this up. Doing this so it hides the cardboard. Now we have to put on our pumpkin spice, nutmeg. Well, it's got nutmeg in it anyway. How pretty is that? Then I think I'm going to put a piece of cinnamon . Piece of cinnamon in it. So there you go. There is your faux eggnog for your Christmas decor. Okay, while I'm at it, I'm going to do this one, eggnog, as well, because I only have one of these left. I used to love these, but I don't have any left. I only have one, so I'm going to use it for my faux desserts for Christmas. So to do that, we're going to need our buttermilk acrylic paint, and it's folk art. So instead of having to, I'm just mixing my brush because I had white paint in it with this. Instead of going out and buying glasses, look through your cupboard and see if you have anything, or if you have glasses that were sentimental to you but you don't use them to drink with, or whatever the case is. Use them for your faux desserts, because then you can see them and appreciate them during the holidays. You know? And this eggnog is so easy because this paint, this particular folk art buttermilk, I'm sorry, buttercream, looks just like the color of eggnog. And this is going to go on my bar cart along with my cookies and milk for Santa. Can't get over how much it looks like eggnog. I really want to drink some eggnog right now. Just looking around, make sure you don't see any brush marks, because that'll give it away for sure, and you don't want that. Okay, so now I'm going to cut a piece of, put this back in there. I'm going to cut a piece of cardboard to put on top, and then we'll do our whipped cream and our pumpkin spice. Okay, eggnog is dried. We have our lid on here, putting our whipped cream. Okay, so let's finish this up. Put a little bit of pumpkin spice. Little piece of cinnamon. And there you go. There is your eggnog in a sweet little mug that has a lot of memories. Then I think I'm going to put a piece of cinnamon. Guys, I want to thank you for coming in and watching. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. For all my YouTube family that have been with me, I love you all. Thank you so much. I hope you will try this. I hope I've inspired you to try something like this. Until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world absolutely no one else can. Talk to you soon.